Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Clash of Clans not loading. First, make sure your internet is connecting or not. Then go to icon bar and check there your internet connection is connecting or not. Then, if your internet is not working, turn on airplane mode for few seconds. Then turn it off. Sometimes bad internet is also not problem of Clash of Clans not loading. If that works, that's good. If that doesn't, then second step is close the game completely and remove it from recent app and open it again. If that doesn't work, if you are Android user, you simply go to Play Store, and if you are iPhone user, open App Store or Google Play Store, then search Clash of Clans. If there you see update, then update it, and if that doesn't work, simply go to the setting and open app management and go to the app list, then search the application name Clash of Clans. There you see storage or clear cache, then to clear cache, and make sure you have at least free space on your phone storage. Low storage can be also problem the not loading. Sometimes if you see maintenance break, just wait, it might be server are updating. So that's it, that's how you can solve your Clash of Clans not loading problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you liked it, then like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.